Heel. You're working your calf now. You know what? I'm using my abs. Again. Here you. So, right? Keep your core tight. Other side. Is basically the main components to revitalize your life, like how you keep a car toned and you're not toned, like, in shape by doing different things. Exercise is part of that to keep your body toned to move forward in long run. So our food, our body, and how some of our genetics are given our ethnicity, there is very high risk of having hypertension, high cholesterol, diabetes, and everything. So this is a simple slide showing how effective and powerful exercise is compared to taking medication. So the CV risk factor, which is a high blood pressure, if somebody puts you on a medication, it reduces by 5%. What is it reducing by 5%? Your risk of having a heart attack and stroke. Because all those factors which are shown there, high blood pressure, cholesterol, which is the lipids, BMI, because BMI means your body mass index, that how big you are, in how big you are. So, and then A1C, which is your diabetes. So for all these factors, when somebody is treating you with medications, so it is reducing your risk by only so much. You see 5% for high blood pressure control, 4% by cholesterol control, changing your BMI by 3%, and your A1C, which is your diabetes numbers, by 2.5%. But if you regularly exercise 30 minutes every single day where you sweat, I'm not talking walking. Walking is good. But where you're sweating and you are moving your body, your heart rate goes up, you're reducing your risk of your heart attacks and strokes by 50%. So, but according to CDC, even though exercise is so important, the prevalence of we being big or obese has become higher and higher, and the numbers are just changing and increasing because of our eating habits, because of our sedentary lifestyle, which we follow by sitting in front of the TV or eating fast foods and not eating the right foods, or stress, all of that, which increases the risk of obesity. And then, as we get older, our risk gets higher and higher because we don't follow the exercise regimen as much as when we are younger. When we were young, we do more exercises, we are more involved in different sports activities. But as life gets on to us, we stop doing a lot of those activities and we start getting all these other conditions, which are diabetes, stroke, and so all these obesity related conditions keep creeping in. So whenever you're obese and whenever you have no energy from lack of exercise, you drain yourself. You have no energy in your body. We don't let our battery go down on our iPhone. We charge it right away. But how come we let go ourselves for these illnesses without taking care of ourselves, where we exercise, we eat right, and honor our body, right? Self-care is such a priority. It's not, it's just basically a priority. We don't let anything go down, like, we pay bills on time, we go to our appointments on time, we do eat food on time. How come one thing, which is yourself, taking care of yourself by doing exercise, becomes less priority? So as you know, exercising benefits, I think I'm talking slowly because I have so much to talk. But exercise, you guys all know the benefits. Everyone knows about the benefits. It decreases the risk for everything. It prolongs your life. You have your joints and body mobility for the long, and your depression is less. You can be more resilient. You can fight stress better. Everything, all the benefits come from exercising regularly. And you don't need a lot of exercise. According to this prescription has not changed in long time. You need moderate intensity exercise, which is where your heart rate is up, you're doing a brisk walk for 30 minutes, 5 times a week, or you could do vigorous intensity exercises for 20 minutes, 3 times a week. Along with that, not that is all giving cardio, you need strength training as well. So you need to include strength training exercises, up to 8 to 10 exercises, minimum 2 times a week, where you build your muscle, you make your bones stronger. When you combine these two, there is one thing which they don't talk about here, is your flexibility, right? So you want to be flexible, so you need to stretch your body. And as we get older, we lose balance, okay? So incorporating some of the balancing exercises in this group will help us to stay healthy and younger, even though our age is coming along, because age is part of the game. But exercise is basically a like tone up for your body, like how you take care of your car. Some of the cars are running on the street for so long just because they are kept well by taking them to the garage frequently, changing the oil, keeping them lubricated, doing stuff. And exercise is along with eating right, exactly does the same thing for your body. Exercise is equal to endorphins. When you exercise, it makes you feel happy, right? And exercise is like therapy. Do you agree? When I say exercise, that's just a joke for you guys. When I say exercise, we make the poor dog walk like that, right? We should be the ones walking along that. So don't let that happen to you. Okay, so we will answer the questions later if you are ready to exercise. Let's do some dancing moves. I will keep it simple. The moves are usually very simple and repetitive. Now side, side. Keep your core tight. Move your hands. Add your leg if you want. Tap it. Tap. Yeah. Side. Now side, side, and hold. Again. Move your arms. You will feel this in your arms already. Turn. I'm sitting still, but my torso is, my arms are moving. Now go 1, 2, and hands up and down. Down, up, up, tap, tap, up, down. Faster. My core is tight, my belly is in. My arms are moving. Again, same again. Do you feel that? Is your heart rate up? Yes? Enjoy the beats. Forward hand. Forward exhale. Hold.
Bulbul.
And out. Again, 1 and 2 and out. Now side. Give 2 more. Now tap, tap, feel, feel. Right here. Tap, tap. It's a fast beat. Move up and down. Belly still tight. Lift your quads up. Feel heavy right here. Hands up on the shoulder again.
DJ Bulbul.
If anybody is doing it, all the videos are blocked. Hold. Hands forward. And again forward. Again right. And go. Hands
DJ
right.
Bulbul.
Again one more time. Hands up. One more time. Again one more time. Moving very slow.
DJ Bulbul.